1 pan lemon chicken orzo. Fresh, zesty and simple. Inspired by Italy and perfect for your midweek dinner. Here's how to make it. In a pan, add the Napolina olive oil followed by the chicken breast, then season with salt and pepper and oregano. And cook until browned on all sides, then set aside. Add the onion and garlic and cook for a few minutes until fragrant. Then toss in the Napolina Orzo and toss in the pan lightly before adding the stock. Let the orzo absorb the stock, one ladle at a time, until al dente. Then mix in the spinach and cooked chicken. Then add the lemon juice, lemon zest, parsley, creme fraiche, Parmigiano Reggiano and season with salt and pepper to your taste and mix together until all the ingredients have combined. Then plate up into 2 bowls, topping with a little extra Parmigiano Reggiano and fresh parsley, and a drizzle of our Napolina roasted herbs and garlic olive oil, and enjoy!